Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a reindeer poppet. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw a cute reindeer very quickly. I start with his head, then I draw his eyes, nose, and his smiling mouth. Then I draw his ears and his horns. Now let's draw his body with his 4 legs and tail. How cute! Now let's divide his body with lines like this. And finally draw small circles around it. Excellent! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. To color, I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, fuchsia, red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.